Hello everyone and welcome to DIY to Z, and today we are going to discussing about how to make a hand gauge or a palm gauge from your household items. So today's video is very useful for those who would love to work on a wood or wood carving. I'll find one of the old drill bit which is no longer used and not very sharp. That's why I'm using it to make a hand gauge, because the steel which is used to make a drill bit is very high carbon and it is very hard. So you can make a very strong and a good tool from this. So first of all, you have to make one of the end red hot, and you have to make it a little bit flat with the help of the hammer, just like this. After that, you have to remove this black part with the help of file sander or file sander. Here I am using a file sander to make it a flat. If you are using a file sander, then you can get a little bit of deep scratches over it, so you have to remove that one. Here I am using a 150 grade sandpaper to remove all the scratches and make it a shiny flat. Now you have to make the strip a little bit curvy, just like a half circle. Unfortunately, I have lost the video in which I was showing how to make this curve, but you can make it very easily. It's not a big deal, because that's why you are here. After getting this great curve, you have to make it a little bit sharp. For that I am using 150 grade sandpaper, and I'll go higher to 220 grade to make it a little bit shiny and smooth finish. After that, you have to remove this black portion around the tip. Now you have to flat the area which is underneath of the tip. You have to just take a 3 to 4 mm area, and you have to file it with a file sander, or you can use also file sander, because this area is very useful when we work with the gauge. You can get a straight cut and sharp edge. While we work with the file sander, so we have to remove the deep scratches with the help of a sandpaper. So now the tip is very sharp. You can see in the video, this is very shiny underneath of this, and it is also very sharp, just like a razor sharp. So now to make it shiny, so that I am using a 580 grade sandpaper to make this underneath tip very shiny. So working with the 580 grade sandpaper, you can get a great shiny finish over here. So now we have to make this chip a little bit harder, so we can work with it for the very long time. So now we are passing from a hardening process, and it is also called a quenching. It is still a confusion when to quench this tool in oil. I'll find the two best way when to quench this tool in oil. First one is orange color. You have to make it very hot until you will get a orange color. When you get orange color tip, you can instantly quench it in oil. Second one is magnetic field. When you make it very hot, it will lose his magnetic field, and you can check it with help of magnet. If the tool is not sticking with the magnet, then you can instantly quench it in oil. So this two method is very handy and very useful to harden our tool and make our tool for last longer use. As you can see in the video, I have completed quenching or hardening process. Now we have to soak the extra oil from the tool, and for the one more time we have to sharp the edge with the help of a high grade sandpaper. I am using a 518 grade sandpaper to give it a glossy finish. So after completing this process, hardening or quenching, whatever you say, we have to pass this tool from a tempering process. Tempering process is about to temper our steel to make it a little bit stronger. So we have to put opposite end of the tool, and the heat come towards our tip. When the tip of the tool get little bit bluish color, you have to instantly quench it in oil, and this is the tempering process. So guys, here we are all done, and our tool is ready for use. Here I am making it very shiny and razor sharp with the help of a leather piece, or you can buy an online kit for that. You can find a link under the description below. In my next video, I'll show you how to make a handle without any tool, and which is very easiest way you can ever find. And thank you for being with me throughout the video. I hope you like it. Thanks again.